Playlists are a great way to easily teach your employees new workflows or bring them up to date on new features. Users can also create playlists to easily access their most used lessons. To create a new playlist, expand the Playlists flyout and select New Playlist. Give the playlist a name and then click Create. Navigate to the CADLearning product library and locate the content you would like to add to your playlist. To add a full topic, select the star next to the topic and then click the name of your playlist. To add a specific lesson, open the lesson and expand the star drop-down at the top. Select your playlist and the lesson will automatically be added. Back on the Playlists flyout, you can expand your playlist. Here, lessons can be deleted, reordered, or viewed. Below the playlist, you will find options to share your playlist with other members of your team. You can also delete the playlist. If you choose Assess, the system will automatically create an assessment based upon just those lessons. After the assessment is completed, users will be presented with their results and a review of the questions that they were asked, including suggested lessons to fill knowledge gaps for questions they missed. At the bottom of the assessment, you can create a playlist of these lessons. The playlist and assessment cycle can continue until the content is fully mastered.